Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we will talk about what is going on with the cryptocurrency market, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as I've mentioned in yesterday's video, I'm in a long position or in two long positions over here on Phemex. As you can see, as of right now, about $1,150 in a profit. If you also want to trade, I have trading tutorials in the descriptions. You find the link in the description. And also, if you sign up with my links, you will always get the highest available bonuses, guys. Okay, so let me show you what is going on. So as of right now, you can see I called for a long trade at about this level, 23. That means 23K. That means if you jumped in this trade with me, you're in a profit of about 3.5%. That means we are still in this ascending channel, as you can see here. And within this big ascending channel, we are in another smaller ascending channel, as you can see right now. And I said yesterday, the next resistance zone, it's a zone because it's between 23.8 and 24K. And right now we are in this zone. So what could you do if you are in a trade like I am? You could take some profits or you set a stop loss, in a profit, of course, guys, okay? So it's never wrong to take profits because you can take, for example, 50% out of the trade and keep the rest running. You will never regret it because you already have profits, okay, guys? So, if we go over this support or right now resistance zone, then I will scale up my trade because then we can go up until we reach this upper line here at about 25.8K. So this would be another great move of about, let me show you guys, let's say 6%, a great move, guys. So we could entertain the idea to scale up. That's what I will do. And let me show you what Ethereum is doing, guys. I'm also in a Ethereum long trade. I said this also yesterday. Entry price is around here. And if you did this trade with me, you're in a profit of about, let's say, 3.26%. Depending on the position size, this should be a nice profit, guys. And as of right now, we are also here. This is a support line. We are above the support line. As you can see, we almost touched it exactly. Then we went up again. And as of right now, we are in this ascending channel. And there's not much resistance above us. We just have to break this line. And then the next resistance level is about $1,764. This would be another move if you would make it from here of about, let's say, 6.5%. So great potential to make profits, guys, here. Yeah, that's what's going on, guys. As always, you can use the links in the description to sign up. I'm trading over here on Phemex. So guys, please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.